Welcome to Sure Success, and in today's video we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter The 100 Dresses Part 2. This is the 6th chapter from the book English. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight toward the video. The first question is, who wrote the letter received by Miss Mason? Options are Wanda, Wanda's mother, Wanda's father, Wanda's brother, and the correct answer is Wanda's father. She wrote the letter received by Miss Mason. Okay. What did the letter convey? Options are Wanda wasn't well, Wanda won't be attending school, they have moved to the big city, both 2 and 3. And the correct answer is both 2 and 3. That means Wanda won't be attending school, they have moved to the big city. This was written in the letter. Okay. What else was mentioned in the letter? Options are her drawings, her medal, her school, her funny name, and the correct answer is her funny name. It was also mentioned in the letter. Okay, how did Miss Mason feel about whatever happened with Wanda? Options are unfortunate, sad, cruel, both 1 and 2, and the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Okay. How would you describe Miss Mason's feeling toward the class? Options are angry, upset, happy, cheerful. And the correct answer is upset. She was upset toward the class. Okay. What was just as bad as what Peggy had done? Options are Mary staying silent while Peggy teased Wanda, Mary not stopping Peggy, Mary teasing Wanda, none of the above. And the correct answer is Mary staying silent while Peggy teased Wanda. The next question is, what did Mary think of herself after the letter was read out loud? Options are grateful, lucky, hero, coward. And the correct answer is coward. Mary think herself as a coward when the letter was read out loud. Okay. So Peggy had the same idea. Mary glowed. What was the idea? Options are to tease Wanda one more time, to go and look for Wanda at Boggins Heights, to apologize to Wanda, both 2 and 3. And the correct answer is both 2 and 3. That is to go and look for Wanda at Boggins Heights, to apologize to Wanda. This was the idea. Okay, what was Mary reminded of by the Petronsky's house? Options are how they teased her, how she could stop all of it, Wanda's drawings, Wanda's dress unironed but cleaned. And the correct answer is Wanda's dress unironed but clean. Petronsky's house made Mary remind of Wanda's dress unironed but clean. Okay. What excuses does Peggy think of for her behavior? Options are Wanda didn't know she was being made fun of. She got the idea of 100 drawings only when Peggy asked her. None of this, both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. That means Wanda didn't know she was being made fun of. She got the idea of 100 drawings only when Peggy asked her. Okay. What important decision does Mary take? Options are unfriending Peggy, visiting Wanda, stop others from bullying, all of the above. And the correct answer is stop others from bullying. This was the important decision taken by Mary. Okay. How did they contact Wanda? Options are letter, phone call, email. They visited her. And the correct answer is letter. Letter was used by them to contact Wanda. Okay. Hope you guys are understanding the video, and the ones who are new to my channel, do subscribe the channel as I am uploading new chapters every day in a series, and do watch the video till end, as the questions we are discussing over here in this video are the most important for your upcoming examination. Okay, let's continue the video. The next question is, what did they write in the letter? Options are apology, her drawings, and that she won, asked about new city, both 2 and 3. And the correct answer is both 2 and 3. Her drawings and that she won, asked about new city. This was the thing that were written in the letter. Okay, why did they think Wanda wouldn't reply? Options are: she didn't know how to read, she didn't know how to write, she must have been sad and angry, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. They thought Wanda wouldn't reply because she didn't know how to read, they didn't know how to write, she must have been sad and angry. They thought that Wanda wouldn't reply because of these reasons. Okay, who was more anxious for a reply? Options are Maddie, Peggy, Miss Mason, all of them. And the correct answer is Maddie. Maddie was the person who was more anxious for a reply. Okay, what did Maddie notice in the drawings? Options are: Wanda drew their faces, they were beautiful, Wanda wrote notes for them, all of the above. And the correct answer is Wanda drew their faces. Maddie noticed in the drawing that Wanda drew their faces. Okay, what was the tone of Wanda's reply? Options are: friendly, angry, ungrateful, hated. And the correct answer is friendly. The tone of Wanda's reply was friendly. Okay, what do you mean by picking on someone? Options are: unfairly criticizing them, taking something from them, taking them somewhere, none of the above. And the correct answer is unfairly criticizing them. Picking on someone means unfairly criticizing them. Okay, what was Maddie's reaction on receiving the drawing? Options are: sad, happy, excited, neutral. And the correct answer is sad. Maddie's reaction was sad when they received the drawing. Okay, what did Peggy infer from the drawing? Options are: Wanda was a good artist, Wanda liked them, Wanda hated them, both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is Wanda liked them. Peggy infer from the drawing that Wanda liked them. Okay, what was the description of the house which Maddie thought to be Wanda's house? Options are: little white house, big white house, small green cottage, tiny red hut. And the correct answer is little white house. Okay, the grass along the pathway to Wanda's house looked like dash. Options are: puppies, snake, kittens, monkeys. And the correct answer is kittens. The grass along the pathway to Wanda's house looked like kittens. Okay, Wanda's house was dash. Options are: on a cliff, on top of a hill, by the river, in the forest. And the correct answer is on top of a hill. Wanda's house was on top of a hill. Okay, what was used to decorate the classroom on Christmas? Options are: bells, tree, both, none of the above. And the correct answer is both. Bells and trees, both were used to decorate the classroom on Christmas. Okay, what was the color of the dress in Peggy's drawing? Options are: red, green, blue, white. And the correct answer is green. Color of dresses in Peggy's drawing were green. ओके बाय दिस वी कम टू एन एंड ऑफ द वीडियो। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोगों को वीडियो समझ में आ गया होगा और अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर कर दीजिए और अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट्स आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँचे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।